Good morning, Lou Volk here with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, Inc. We have a fabulous new listing available for sale. Well, it's for sale as soon as you see this, call me and we'll sell it to you. So this house is approximately 2,000 square feet. It's only 5 years old. It's got $70,000 in upgrades. It's an awesome opportunity. Just down the street, there's 2 schools, public and Catholic grade schools, walk to schools, court location, Crescent location, close enough. If you want to buy this house, call me. Your home sold guaranteed. We'll make an offer on your property so you can buy this firm. No issues. Stay tuned. There's all kinds more pictures coming for this property, and have a real close look at it because it's a great opportunity.
Watching our video. I'm Allison Walsh with Guaranteed Real Estate Services, and I'm very proud of our company. We support Jurabinsky Cancer Patient Care in Hamilton. It's an organization that helps cancer patients during, before, and after treatment. And how we support them is that on every home that we sell, a portion of our commission goes directly to Jurabinsky. So if you're thinking of making a move, call us. You're going to get great service and you're going to help cancer patients. So give us a call at 905-332-2207 and have yourself a great day.